Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, we're from group 4. We'll explain about the pH meter instrument.
My name is Febri Suryalam. In here, I will tell you something about a pH meter. From the definition, a pH meter is a scientific instrument that measures hydrogen ion activity in a water-based solution, indicating its acidity or alkalinity expressed as a pH. The next one is the function. The first function of a pH meter is to measure acidity or alkalinity, and the second one is to describe a degree of acidity or alkalinity.
In Fasiasila, I will explain the main parts of pH meter instrument. There are three main parts in the pH meter instrument, including a high input impedance meter, a measurement electrode, and a reference electrode. On the part of a high input impedance meter, there is a menu button. First, the power button to turn the pH meter on and off. Second, the setup button to open setup for conditioning pH meter. Third, the read button. Its function is for start or endpoint measurements. Fourth, the mode button to change measurement mode. Fifth, the call key for start calibration. On the high input impedance meter, there is also a screen that shows the result of the pH reading of the solution. The second main part of the pH meter is the reference electrode. The reference electrode is constant and is completely insensitive to the composition of the solution being investigated. The third main part of the pH meter is the measurement electrode. Measurement electrode whose potential depends on the concentration of the substance being investigated. The electrode used in this video is a combination electrode, where the electrode contains element of a measurement electrode and a reference electrode.
Hello, I'm Fauzia Nabila. I will explain you how to use pH meter. Part 1. Prepare for calibration. First, turn on your pH meter and warm up for 30 minutes. Next, clean your electrode with distilled water and dry with tissue. Next, prepare your buffers. Usually use 3 buffers. pH 4, 7, and 10. Part 2. Calibration your pH. Step 1. Place your electrode in pH 7 and press call. Next, wait until you hear beep beep. Next, rinse your electrode with distilled water.
My name is Fasha Farul Ihsani. I'm from 13th grade, chemical analyst. We'll continue the explanation from Fojia. And 4, place your electrode in the appropriate buffer your sample and begin reading. 5, set the pH in second time. Six raise your electrode. And 7. Using your pH meter and place your electrode in your begin reading.
My name is Faris Fatur Rahman, and today I'm gonna tell you about caution of using pH meter. So first of all, why should we need to know about this caution? It is because pH meter is a complicated tool and also expensive, so we don't want to damage or spoil it. So the first caution is to avoid temperature fluctuations, and the second is to never keep the pH meter exposed to direct sunlight. And the third caution is to keep the glass of electrodes in storage solution to keep it prolonged intervals.
That's all from our group. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.